Welcome back to my Marcel series. I believe this may be part 3. I don't know, lost count, but check out the playlist. So today I'm getting started with one of my favorite plugins. This one is a little less than a 3/10, but it is real small, comparable to the Glam Palm Flat Iron. I will have it linked in the description box below for you guys to check out. It's very affordable. Y'all know the Glam Palm is like $229 and this one is not even $100. So it's a very affordable flat iron. Very good for doing micro pixies with, and it is so bomb. I've had this one for quite a while and I have posted this one on my page before. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, y'all know I'm always shouting out this flat iron. But anyway, I did start doing this one with my Marcels, but I didn't like the way that it did the top. You know, blonde and heat is, you know, they don't go together if you have that heat too high. And you know, with Marcel's, it was a little bit unregulated, and I just didn't like the way the spikes turned out. But we are using the needle nose on the sides. I absolutely love these flat irons now. You can call it a flat iron, you can call it a curler. I still call it a flat iron because it is flat in the middle and round on the outside. I think I'm gonna come and do like the traditional curls, but I don't know. I think, you know, these still give it like a modern twist besides doing like the bubble curls like, you know, we used to do. And this one is just faster. I ain't gotta be exchanging all them different flat irons or curlers. It can make a big curl, it can make a small curl. And again, I don't know where you can get it from. Y'all gotta do your research online and see if you can find it. I did have some people say they found it on Amazon. I have not been able to find it on Amazon, so I don't know if that person was lying. She never actually posted a link or anything, so I'm not sure. To keep her hair protected, I'm always going to use K18, and I usually do a combination of Olaplex as well with the lightening process. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see me do like a blonde, a full blonde color process. Now you may have to jump into subscriptions for that one, but I don't know. Y'all let me know what if y'all want to see, because a lot of people say they have a hard time getting like blonde. I have mentioned this before. I do not hold my Marcels the correct way. I'm self-taught and it just feels better for me. Pressing out some of the hair on the sides just so it's not as wavy looking and she has like more of a straight look. But this is the finished look. Y'all let me know what you guys think. This is considered like a micro pixie. I'll have the holding spray, everything I use linked in the description box below. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.